Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, folks. This is REO-Outdoors bringing you a video on redoing this ancient old toolbox. This my father has had for many years. This box is made with dovetail cuts. This back here, there's a break all the way across there, so I've already taken my glue and glued this break all the way across here. Goes across there like that. This is the beginning of I'm going to say, my dad says, and I'm going to say this is close to being 100 years old. It's got all the old screws in here. They're you can't really see them between being the old screws on there, and then they've got these little round ones right here, and they're only like these, I want to call them cut screws. I don't know what the real name of them are, but they're very short, very old. And again, just this box is in bad shape. I've already glued that break back there. This is my project for today, is going to try and work on this top. I'm going to glue that. The bad thing is I hate to sand it down. Which would get rid of the patina on it, but at the same time I want to sand it down so I can put a fresh coat of some kind of sealer on it. Today I gotta get rid of this white tag that Pa had on there. It had drills and drill bits and stuff in there. But today I want to work on that lid. There's a break like this on both ends, and then that crack all the way across the top. So this is what I'm going to work on today. This is what the inside looks like. The person was drilled holes in it, so I don't know what the original thing was, but they drilled holes in there in order to let the water run out, which was a good idea when they did that. And then the bottom is really rough. You can see the dovetail. But this bottom is really rough, and I don't know what to do. Maybe put some wood filler in on this, because I just cannot cover it or remove it. It would ruin it completely. But maybe I could just take some wood filler and put it in these grooves. I'll have to decide later whether I'm going to touch it or not. At least I'll sand it off and make it look a little bit better anyway. But this is one of my projects. REO-Outdoors. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, stay in tune with us, and look forward to the different projects that I do and have done, and what this box is gonna look like when I am finished. God bless and have a great day. Bye.